Good morning everybody, I'm Don Chambers and I'm glad you're there for a weekly show on physics. Today we are going to speak about a lot of different topics. First, Jean-Pierre Pernaut will tell us about the sunshine, which seems to be weaker than we thought. Then Jean-Luc Delarue will tell us about a new theory, a universe before our universe. And finally, Julien Lepers will tell us about a very applied part of the quantum theory. So first, let's begin with the sunshine and Jean-Pierre Pernaut.
Of course, Dwayne. Good morning, everybody. So, researchers in the US claim to have obtained a more precise value of the amount of energy that the sun provides to the Earth. They use the data from a satellite, the NASA, called Solar Radiation and Climate Experiment, which was launched in 2003 to investigate on the solar variabilities. This satellite was placed on the Lagrange point L1. So here is a short reminder of what are the Lagrange points. As you can see, here is the Sun and here is the Earth. And these 5 points are places in the system where if you put a satellite here, it won't move during the movement of the Earth and the Sun. So the satellite is placed here at the Lagrange point L1, and as you can see, you can easily observe the Sun and every day, easily. So they found that the total solar irradiance during the last solar minimum in 2008 was 5 watts per meter square less than the value accepted before and used in the climate models. And this new data will help researchers to make more precise predictions about the climate changes. It was Jean-Pierre Pernaut, live at New York City. Back to you.
Okay, thank you Jean-Pierre. We can easily imagine how important this is for the solar energy. So now, Jean-Luc is going to introduce us to a new theory about our universe.
Hi, Dwayne. So today we're going to talk about the universe. And well, for example, when you throw a rock into the water, it produces waves. And you can see the circles, the waves that are moving into the surface of the water. And for years, scientists have taken pictures of the universe. And some scientists see in those pictures gravitational waves. So they are basically the same shapes as the waves that are on the surface of the water, but they are waves of the space and time. So those waves are produced by collisions between supermassive objects. And the waves that the scientists see on those pictures are so large that the objects that could have collided to produce them are supermassive black holes that are older than the age of our universe. So this could be an evidence of a universe before our universe. And this is allowed by some new theories of cosmology. But of course not everyone agrees with that. So the scientists are still working on it. So thank you. It was Jean-Luc Delarue.
Okay, thank you Jean-Luc. Wow, it's a huge discovery. Well, now we are going to speak about a total different topic, an applied one, with Julien Lepers, which is going to tell us about quantum theory.
Yes, hello from Israel. Yeah, so I am in Israel where scientists have discovered a new kind of water filter based on quantum theories. Indeed, everyone knows that water is composed of oxygen and hydrogen. And besides, hydrogen has a spin which takes the values of 0 or 1. And so, scientists, by sending a stream of water through an hexapole composed of 6 magnets, managed to split this stream in 2 parts, where one part where hydrogen has the power state, so the spin takes the value 1, and the other part where the hydrogen has the auto states, so the spin takes the value 0. This is an application could boost the NMR, the nuclear magnetic resonance, and so it can boost the medical imagining techniques. So back to you.
Okay, thank you, Julien. So today we spoke about many topics. I hope you enjoy it, and I wish you will be there next week for a special edition, the string theory versus the quantum lobe gravity. It was Dwayne Chambers on CNN.